Good evening, viewers. We welcome you once again to today's edition of the news. Here are the top stories of today. President Draupadi Murmu confers Bal Puraskar on 20 children on occasion of Veer Bal Divas. Prime Minister Narendra Modi interacts with awardees in Delhi. World's wettest place, Mausanram gets iconic rain museum. Local MLA Olan Singh Suin says museum will boost tourism in area. Christmas cheers fill Wapung as children lead carol procession. The news in detail. First, let's have a look at the local news. Mausanram MLA Olan Singh Suin said the upcoming rain museum, being built at a cost of over rupees 25 crore, will boost tourism in the world's wettest place. Featuring rain simulations and climate exhibits, the museum aims to promote eco-tourism, increase tourist stays and support local homestays. Once completed, it is expected to become a signature attraction for Mausanram and Meghalaya.
Major project di Rain Museum keba ngila dang sedang senamata hapo ke Mausanram konstitusi ke banglasina ha Mausanram dongrom tegane ke sedang ke sina ni ke project ru kalau yai baik kemji ko marba ke Mausanram keladi sisa bandon hakamap jenggot tourism hapo ka ri berkoi nei ki bri syuti bi kata ka jing ong ba ka jadi ke sinong ke biju selapam Henry kajingwan jingi turis nalor badon ke maujin boin nalor bagi bur ki jaka jing okai nomor ke jisnu than ki serok ki turis kim kiar banwan te ndradep sakane ke Rain Museum makane ke Rain Museum la sanction ya ka arpusan arpunyo kro te ni community bukan ke project ndradep kone project kan long ke kerja information center ki turis bro kan long ka jingkring ki turis matong siong ke Rain Museum Rain Museum kam simula dan apa kostin mekhlia jongi. Kadon tah Mausanram konstitusi. Kani kapun isya ba ka Mausanram kadai kata ka sinong ka bala panam ka jingjo slap berkebala kan air ya kata ka ya ka advertisement ya ka publicity bagi ladon Rain Museum. Kani ka sa kring bagi turis.
The Meghalaya BJP has welcomed the 90-10 Centre State funding pattern for the new 125-day wage employment scheme under the VBG Ramji Act 2025, which replaces the MG Narega. BJP leader Alexander Lalu Hek said the shared funding will strengthen state involvement, improve monitoring and ensure better accountability. He added that the focus should remain on development and rural development, not the scheme's name.
Kerteng keba ai mensyuar keba biang baha MNREGS ada mentang ya BJP ke kuat pengkala kerteng lo dah ke kerteng ke priang lut ya borok hi nong song jong ngari dia tendal problem ni kerteng ni le yo kuat ai ke development ke development ke benda ni aja kaman bagi nong ke jungi ke badai ke tu ke job card kamdam ke BPL family ke benda bandu maki ke ban kum bagi jiyo mensyuar kum tai di kambyo kambon cucu kan Tadi gila men persiang dekat agar rekom bagai marah ya kerja mentoy jung ki beduk ki besuk ki BPL family jung kan negeri India burak gawe ke Meghalaya state jung itu. Tela dah gila lang ke central bagai state dan ada ke kena ke ratio percentage tu kata doesn't make any difference. Tang ba kade bendon lang ke bentang ini bendon bentang lang. Kenang ba ngirung sim ya ka ownership the sense of ownership kade bendon sense of ownership.
The tender for a rupees 265 crore road project connecting Plangwan Broy in East Khasi Hills to Ranikor in southwest Khasi Hills will be floated soon. Mausanram MLA Olan Singh Sun said the 47-kilometer state-funded road will pass through Mausanram and Ranikor constituencies, improving poor road conditions and boosting regional connectivity. He also noted that a separate Wailoy Plangwan Broy road project is awaiting World Bank approval next year.
Penpau ke jing sengongo ke bakrau ke MDA government apo ke jing alam jung Chief Minister Shri Conrad Sama rangkat du Deputy Chief Minister ba Preston Tensong badi pei ikitnat jong ka road ba ula penyo sanction arspa 100% crore na kemata kesrok kebanyak 100 kilometer na Plangwan Broy syadu khatra Ranikor ban connect ya ga intermediate route Ranikor kan ya lembaga konstitusi jumi ke ba 40 kilometer but 40 kilometer kan kobar ya ka Ranikor konstitusi kan ni ketiga skim ke ba ladep float tender mata tayo but housing thumai ngi kemen bakani kesrok country no but kani kesrok kandi ka intermediate route tambah kamdi ka naga World Bank kani ka naga state normal state scheme route ke ba la sanction aspa 100% crore ti kani na Plangwan Broy sharum ban connect hadu Ranikor ya ka intermediate route ke Ranikor ti kawai pat ke benta ke ba kadang don ngidang ab ya ka sanction naga World Bank pada kani wo scheme kebana Wailoy Plangwan Broy ia keniru mi community ba house nem ubanwan hau arajar arfandru ia keniru community ba World Bank kan sanction no.
The Meghalaya BJP has confirmed it will contest the upcoming elections to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council scheduled for early 2026. BJP leader A.L. Hek said the party has begun screening aspirants and will field candidates in selected constituencies with strong winning chances. He added that interest is high and the party remains open to an alliance with the NPP depending on election performance.
Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ke BJP ke layak cikamat mendai nang sedang men-supported kumat banya jet ya ban identify ya ki candidate jong ki baro ki constituencies but ni kat bala mendai nang yatre sitom banyo ban penyakun ada amla baro alis tumnu mar 20% yogi consensus ni debat yakun ni election tang po ka Garo Autonomous Council buat apa ka Meghalaya hi borokawi kibriu kila fai khamat se BJP kila I ka kam jong honorable prime minister jongi Shri Narendra Modi latre bah nang ka banda karoi ka par na banda ka development jong ka rinia borokawi buat ka Meghalaya ru lingba ka IPS policy. Pika ngi long bakloi ba menyatre lang hangno ru kumbang la tre ga MDA jongga state government ngi buat hagi district council ru ngi kloi ba menyatre lang ti ka syongpat ka kanungut ngi job kanungut maki kin job ngi long ready ba menyatre lang.
On December 25th, following the Christmas Day church service, the Wapung Presbyterian Church organized a joyful Christmas carol procession. The procession began at the church premises and moved along National Highway 6, passing through different areas of the village. Led by children dressed as angels and Santa Claus, church members of all ages joined in singing, music and dance. The celebration was filled with carol singing, music and dance, creating a vibrant and united atmosphere as the community came together to celebrate Christmas. Moving on to the regional news. Mizoram Governor General Dr. Vijay Kumar Singh attended the Christmas service at the Central Church of the Baptist Church of Mizoram in Aizawl on December 25. He extended warm Christmas and New Year greetings, highlighting Christmas as a time for humility, love in action, peace and harmony. As part of the celebration, a Christmas carol service was held on December 19 at Lok Bhavan, which will also be open to the public on December 24 to 26 and January 1st to 3rd for New Year festivities.
Christmas is also full of a call for love in action. God did not just speak about love, He showed it by giving His Son. In the same way, we are called to show love through our actions. Let us care for the poor, comfort the grieving, encourage the discouraged, and forgive those who have hurt us. Let us go forward with hope in our hearts, love in our hands, and faith in our steps. Merry Christmas to you all. Christmas, Lekum Tha Chivai. Hello.
Days after violence in Assam's West Karbi Anglong district, the situation has largely returned to normal, police said. IGP V. Seva Prasad Ganjala stated that security forces have full control, with CRPF and Assam police deployed in large numbers and no fresh incidents reported. Over 50 policemen were injured during stone pelting, with 2 seriously hurt. Violence erupted amid protests over eviction demands in the Keroni area, where several houses and shops were torched.
Some unfortunate incidents have happened in the last couple of days. Now situation is very much under control. Police had to resort to some kind of mild lathi charge, and after that the situation was brought under control. Presently we are maintaining complete domination over the area. Sufficient forces deployed. Forces from CRPF are there and from Assam police are also there in good numbers. So we are in command of the situation now. No fresh violence, no such incidents. We have seen the entire area thoroughly. No such miscreants also. In fact, 2 policemen were referred to hospital in Guwahati, so they had some serious injuries. Mild to medium type injuries, many have suffered. More than 50 police personnel were injured. Basically, a lot of stone pelting was there. You must have seen the size of the stones. They cause injuries, despite wearing protective gear.
BJP National Working President Nitin Nabin was warmly welcomed upon his arrival in Guwahati for a 2-day visit from December 26 to 27. During the trip, he will attend a state BJP core committee meeting at the Assam headquarters to discuss organizational matters, electoral strategy and policy ahead of the 2026 Assam Legislative Assembly elections. Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma will deliver a special address with BJP Assam President Dilip Saikia presiding. Meetings of the state election management and manifesto drafting committees are also scheduled. Now to the national news. President Draupadi Murmu today conferred the Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar on 20 children from 18 states and union territories on the occasion of Veer Bar Diwas in New Delhi. The president said the awards would encourage young achievers and inspire children nationwide. The day commemorates the sacrifice of Sahibzada Zorawar Singh Ji and Sahibzada Fateh Singh Ji, symbolizing courage and patriotism. Some awardees shared inspiring stories, including acts of bravery and innovations for social good.
प्यारे बच्चों, वर्ष 2022 से आज के दिन हम सभी देशवासी वीर बाल दिवस के रूप में मनाते हैं। क्या आप जानते हैं कि आज हम वीर बाल दिवस क्यों मनाते हैं? इसके पीछे हमारे इतिहास का एक बहुत ही प्रेरक अध्याय है। लगभग 320 वर्ष पूर्व सिख पंथ के 10वें गुरु और सभी भारतवासियों के लिए पूजनीय गुरु गोविंद सिंह जी और उनके 4 बेटों ने सत्य और न्याय के पक्ष में युद्ध और संघर्ष करते हुए बलिदान दिए थे। आज के दिन हम उनके 2 सबसे छोटे साहिबजादों का स्मरण करते हैं, जिनकी वीरता का सम्मान देश विदेश में किया जाता है। उनका नाम बहुत आदर के साथ लिया जाता है। केवल 9 साल के बाबा जोरावर सिंह जी और उनसे भी छोटी 7 साल के बाबा फतेह सिंह जी ने निडरता और साहस का अद्भुत उदाहरण प्रस्तुत किया था। जीते जी उनके सभी ओर दीवारें, चारों ओर दीवारें बना दी गई और ये हवा और प्रकाश के अभाव से वीर गति को प्राप्त किए। सच्चाई और न्याय के लिए गौरव के साथ मर मिटने वाले उन महान वीर बालकों को हम सादर प्रणाम करते हैं। उन दोनों साहिबजादों के सम्मान में हर वर्ष इस सप्ताह के दौरान पंजाब में स्थित गुरुद्वारा फतेहगढ़ साहिब में श्रद्धालु जन एकत्र होते हैं। वीर बाल दिवस पर उनका स्मरण उत्सव देश प्रेम और राष्ट्रीय एकता का उत्सव भी है।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi participated in the nation program marking Veer Bal Divas at Bharat Mandapam in New Delhi today. On the occasion, Mr. Modi interacted with the 20 awardees of Rashtriya Bal Puraskar. In his address, Mr. Modi said, over the past 4 years, the Veer Bal Divas has carried the inspirations and sacrifices of the Sahibzadas to the younger generation. Prime Minister said the courage and ideals of Mata Gujri Ji, Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji and the 4 Sahibzades continue to give strength to every Indian.
साथियों, जब भी 26 दिसंबर का ये दिन आता है तो मुझे ये तसल्ली होती है कि हमारी सरकार ने साहिबजादों की वीरता से प्रेरित वीर बाल दिवस मनाना शुरू किया। बीते 4 वर्षों में वीर बाल दिवस की नई परंपरा ने साहिबजादों की प्रेरणाओं को नई पीढ़ी तक पहुंचाया है। वीर बाल दिवस ने साहसी और प्रतिभावान युवाओं के निर्माण के लिए एक मंच भी तैयार किया है। हर साल जो बच्चे अलग अलग क्षेत्रों में देश के लिए कुछ कर दिखाते हैं, उन्हें प्रधानमंत्री राष्ट्रीय बाल पुरस्कार से सम्मानित किया जाता है।
In Karnataka, the death toll in the Chitradurga bus tragedy has risen to 7 after the bus driver succumbed to injuries today. The sleeper coach bus caught fire following a collision with a container truck, leaving several passengers dead and 21 injured in the early hours of Thursday. Authorities said DNA tests are being conducted to identify the charred bodies. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah announced an ex gratia of Rs 5 lakh for the families of the deceased and Rs 50,000 for the injured. Now let's look at the international. Bangladesh Nationalist Party acting chairman Tariq Rehman returned from nearly 17 years in exile on December 25, receiving a massive welcome from supporters in Dhaka. Rehman, 60, the son of former Prime Minister Khaleda Zia, has led the BNP as acting chairman since 2018. Addressing crowds, he pledged to unite people of all faiths and build a safe, democratic and economically strong Bangladesh. His return comes ahead of the February elections, seen as crucial for political stability after 2 years of turmoil. The United States carried out airstrikes against Islamic State militants in northwest Nigeria, targeting fighters accused of attacking Christians, U.S. President Donald Trump said on December 25. The strikes in Sokoto State were coordinated with Nigerian authorities and confirmed by U.S. African Command. Nigeria's Foreign Ministry also acknowledged the operation, highlighting ongoing cooperation with international partners to combat terrorism. And in sports news, the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society has urged citizens, especially youth, to undergo HIV testing and treatment to help combat HIV/AIDS. MAC's Assistant Director Rabborlang Rani made the appeal during the Empowering Youth and Enabling Change Futsal Frenzy tournament organized with the Shillong Archdiocese Catholic Youth Movement Zone 1 at Madan Hai in Maulai, Putmauri. The tournament also aimed to raise funds for the Zonal Youth Convention in January 2026, which will feature HIV/AIDS awareness programs.
Tolong jingkip tu ya pi bopin senap sepang kani buat bopin ra no hapo ke tepi ye ke jongfi bopin telong no ya kani ka kani ke HIV/AIDS mo ke jinga keren ke ba pin normal no ke ye ke sam normal boleh usa uni virus la sapriang adu kani ke jela ke jongi nomor ba ni imban ni jingkip li la simo banyak keren sepang jongni dan ke jinga ra ni dan pek ben di priu sebab ia uni yang jingpang HIV na tadau ke lapur mo but dia si larang ya keren hukum ni pun ni nginum sengap nomor usau ba nginum la ban yo ya kata hindrai ngam la ban sim sting kum pia ni ka por mo kan ke football ke di jini le kai ban tolong disiplin ni nangka ban tolong ini bagi le kai bagi iet mo bagi so ba.
Josh Tongue made history by becoming the first England bowler this century to take a 5-wicket haul in a men's test at the Melbourne Cricket Ground, claiming 5 for 45. His performance helped bowl out Australia for 152 in the first innings of the Boxing Day test, breaking a 27-year drought since Darren Gough and Dean Headley achieved the feat in 1998. And now for the weather report. Take a look at the weather report in Tura. Minimum temperature 12 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 22 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 71%. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature 7 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 17 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 54%. Meanwhile, in Juwai, minimum temperature 7 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature 18 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 55%. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and Juwai says that dry weather is most likely to occur. Before we wind up, let's have a look at headlines once again. President Draupadi Murmu confers Bal Puraskar on 20 children on occasion of Veer Bal Divas. Prime Minister Narendra Modi interacts with awardees in Delhi. World's wettest place, Mausanram gets iconic rain museum. Local MLA Olan Singh Soin says museum will boost tourism in area. Meghalaya BJP backs new wage scheme replacing MG Narega, says new VBG RAM G Act strengthens state's role. And Christmas cheer fills Wapong as children leads carol procession. Well, viewers, that's all we have in today's edition of the news. Do join us again tomorrow with more updates. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and an advance prosperous New Year.